Hi students, so this means you are being promoted, yay! So when you get an email from me that has this file that's called Progress Report, it means that you're going to be either moving to CLB 5 or maybe taking a break and getting a job, but whatever reason it is, it means you're finishing my CLB 4. So I just want to go over a little bit of information that you're going to be seeing here. In this top part, you have your personal information, okay? The date when you started my class and the date when you finished. Over here, if you got into my class from a CLB 3, you're going to have number 3s here. If you came to my class and you haven't been to any classes before, you will have here the results of your placement test that you did before you started at the Y. Down here will be the level that you finished when you completed my CLB 4 class. Usually this is going to be 4 in each competency, but not always. Over here is the part where you're going to have some suggestions for things you found a little bit harder and your strengths. Down here will be just a little bit of information about how many classes you attended, so your attendance record. So how many classes, out of how many classes we had, and for how many hours. Because as you know, to be promoted, we need a certain amount of hours, and we also need a certain amount of artifacts. So usually, most of you would be in my class for 6 months at least, 2 terms, and you would have had 32 achieved artifacts. So over here, this is the part where I'm going to need you to sign. So I'm going to show you how I am going to sign this document, and you should follow the same thing and put it over here. So the way you're going to do that, you're going to scroll to the top of the screen and you are going to see something that says fill and sign. Fill and sign. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So as you can see over here, sign document by typing or drawing a signature. This is the picture that you're going to have to click on. Now, I already had one that I made, but I'm going to erase that one and show you how you can add signature. So you click on this picture, click Add Signature. Here you can decide if you want to type or if you want to draw. If you're really good at this, I'm not so. So if you want to draw or if you want to type. Once you have the one you're happy with, I'm going to just type this and show you the differences. And then when you're ready, you do apply. And then you're going to have the cursor, your mouse, with that signature, and you can just scroll to the bottom of the page where I want this to be saved. So you would put this by the learner. Of course, I'm the teacher, so I'll put it here, but you are the learner, so you're going to click and put that one over here. If you're not happy with this, you can erase it and make another one. But it's very simple. You click on the sign, you type or draw your name, and you move the box to wherever it says learner. Once you are done, you are going to save this file on your desktop, File, Save As, on your desktop. You're going to call it your name, and you're going to email this to me. So hopefully this was clear, and if you have any questions, you could always email me or WhatsApp me or call me, and we can do a video to help you a little bit better. But that is basically everything you need to know for this progress report signing process. Looking forward to seeing you in our progress report meeting.